Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna talk about a unboxing, as the title says. Yes, I got another. I'm so grateful. I feel very blessed. Like everything's coming together slowly but surely. And when this brand contacted me, as I said in my other videos with them, it's just that I just feel blessed. I feel like somebody that used to go into stores and buy their makeup and now I'm getting it for free is like, when, how, why? Cool. I don't know, I feel I wish I could give them a hug. So thank you so much Revlon for sending me these makeups to try out, and I can't wait to try out. So tomorrow look out for a video, guys, of me using this makeup all day. So my fingers, I just creamed my hands and now it's getting the box all messy, but yeah, let's jump into the video. I'm unboxing a Revlon package, another package from them, and thank you so much Sarah for sending me these makeup. So the red box is so gorgeous, I loved it. It's a new campaign they have going on right now called Revlon Live Boldly. If you can see that, I'm not sure. The lighting is a bit bright. There we go. So it's Live Boldly, and when I open the box, this is what I got. Is a little leaflet with a clip on it with a message, and I got 2 foundations. So we're going to talk about what this leaflet says and what they want me to do with these foundations. So I can't wait to get into the video. Let's go and see what I have to do. So I got this leaflet and it's telling me what I need to do. So it says, thank you for taking part in the Revlon Live Boldly makeup challenge. So I have a makeup challenge that I need to come to do, which is wearing it for 24 hours to see if the makeup promises what it says. And they said that we can't wait to see you put in your Color Stay foundation through its paces, whether you're brunching with friends or have a long day of meetings. We are confident you will love its flawless finish with life-proof staying power. So I need to do this challenge and complete it by March 15, 2018. And today is 2014. I mean 2018, but March 14th, I meant to say. Today's March 14th. I got this package like 3 days ago. I was meant to do this for a while, but you know, I've got so much videos that I had to put out before I get some space on my phone and camera and stuff, so I could actually do this video. So I'm gonna do it tomorrow morning when I wake up. I'm gonna put it to test. So these are the 2 that I got. This is the foundation I'll be testing out, and these are the ladies in the campaign right now. I love that girl so much. I can't believe that I'm working with Revlon that's working with Sierra and all these beautiful models. But yeah, I am gonna put it to the test and see what it's saying, because I am all for a foundation that lasts all day. And yeah, I want to live boldly. I want to be, you know, looking nice for the whole day. This makeup I've had on maybe for 8 hours, so I might be looking a bit tired. I don't know. But this is the package again, and these are the foundations. I had to choose. I opened it, but I haven't used it yet. I just take off the main wrapper, but that's still hanging on it. But I got 2 shades. Need to shake them up because they've been in there for a while, so but definitely shake them up. So I got the shade caramel, golden caramel, if it will focus. So I got golden caramel, and they sent me caramel. So they sent me 2 shades because I don't know if that's what you meant to do, but I wanted to make sure that I got the right shade, so I chose 2 different shades, and they did send me 2 different shades. So I'm so happy and grateful for that. So I got 400 caramel and 360 golden caramel. So as you can see, there are 2 different colors. So I'm going to probably use one for foundation and one for concealer, and then just set my face and go out through the day and test these bad boys out. I can't wait, guys. I'm so excited. I can't believe that I'm actually getting to wear this. I tried this back in the day though. I'm not sure if it's the same formula, but I've tried Revlon's foundation back in the day because I'm a similar complexion to Halle Berry, and she's like a caramel complexion. But this one promises a 24-hour wear, and I'm combination oily. So we'll see what it says. If it promises what it says, I mean. And yeah, it is flawless finish, lightweight feel. I don't know how much coverage it has, but we'll see if it's full coverage or buildable. And it also has SPF 15 in there, which is very, very good. So we definitely need SPF in our foundations and anything that we're using. I'm very, very happy to receive these, guys. Thank you so much, Revlon, for sending me this beautiful package. I'm very, very grateful and can't wait to take part in the campaign. And also follow me on Instagram, where I'll be posting a stories and also videos on how I look throughout the day. And make sure you subscribe to my channel to see everything I have coming up, guys. I am so, so grateful, so happy. Another package from Revlon. This is now my third package, so I'm so grateful. Actually, is it my third? Yeah, I think this is the third or fourth package now from Revlon. So I guess I'm part of the PR list. So guys, I applaud you for your kindness. I honor you for being grateful to me, and I thank you all my subscribers for being part of this journey with me, growing as a small YouTuber. You know, it's not easy to receive anything out of these days, and I didn't do anything special. They just contacted me through Instagram, and I'm very, very grateful that they keep sending me these things. I'm actually wearing Revlon on my lips right now, so I'm going to be doing a swatch video on all the makeup I got previously from Revlon, because I need to actually show you the lipsticks that I'm wearing all the time on Instagram. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you subscribe to my channel, and I can't wait to put out that video tomorrow for you to see what I look like at the end of the day. Because I'm a mom of 3 kids, and I'm so busy, and I'm a sweaty girl. So we'll see if I'll be sweating tomorrow. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. As I said, and I'll see you guys in the morning.